DT wants to know the answer to a question related to something with an automobile. Her aunt was forced off of the road by a car that had crossed the center line coming the other way. She was not at fault at the time, but now has injuries and bills to pay. What would you recommend she do?
So the biggest problem that just at first blush on this question is going to be proving that the mother was run off the road. So what I mean by that is, if the insurance company is not just going to just pay out on the damages if we can't prove that the other party was at fault. So if it's just her word, that makes it very difficult. And I know in South Carolina that you actually have to have some kind of physical impact or a lone witness to be able to verify that. In Georgia, you don't have to have that, but you still have to show that something caused it, that some other entity caused it, and caused you to have an accident. And if that person is unknown, then that's when it would come into your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Now, as far as her bills go, the first thing she needs to do is get an attorney, a good trial attorney, because a trial attorney can help her with the bills in regards to when they have to be paid. The medical providers, if you have a good trial attorney, understand that it takes time to get the case resolved, and will sort of lean on the case so the person doesn't have to pay out of pocket. And then at the end of the day, the medical providers are paid from the proceeds from the at-fault car insurance. So I would recommend getting an attorney first, and then those bills wouldn't be stacking up, and she can make a better decision once getting those bills handled and kind of resolved from going to collections and that kind of thing after an attorney's involved.